Alright, what up y'all? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to um, find like the admin password and crack it or crack the hashes. So this is only for education purpose and I have permission from this website to do it. So don't crack the hashes of websites or other type of passwords. And yeah, so let's start. So here's the website. It's called ravegetbanned.com. And now what we want to do is we want to try to find the operation system. So we can use something called nmap. You can type nmap. As you can see, I'll type -o.com. And if you run this command, it should show the operation system. And if not, there's another method too. So we can wait until nmap finish. As you can see, we got the IP and the port and the DNS. Here are the ports 80 and 443. Both of them are TCP. So I can see nmap is probably guessing here because it was unreliable and it could like only find one open port and one close. That's probably why. So it's guessing like Linux like 90%, and here's like advanced guess. Aggressive guess, and it says again Linux 90%. So we can also go to the website and we can click like contact as example, and we can like remove the contact PHP. So basically this means that we can read, or like we can read the site, or the site can read files. So if we change the location from the site to etc dash, let's say, password, it will just take us another place. So what we can do is we can try to find like different location, but most of the popular location are probably shadow. So if we enter here, you can see it's lots of hashes. So what you want to do is copy this hash, and you can make your own text file and locate it there, as you can see, like me. Or you can type curl and clear curl and the website location, paste that in there, and you can just copy from here. And now we want to use a tool called JohnTheRipper. So basically it's a password cracking tool. So if you have your own password list, as you can see I have here, I'll download it from GitHub, and it's going to use that, and it says it has its own hash cracking tool, like cracking hashes. So what you want to do is you want to type John, and you want to type dash word list to locate a word list, and as you can see I have it here. So I'm going to type like equal desk oops desktop dash pass texts, and now you want to type like one more time. So now we're going to locate hashes. So we want to type again, because this is located in desktop um, and hash.txt. And now we should run it. As you can see, we're running on root. So just you want to type it again. John dash word list. Basically, I can just type from here. And now we want to enter it. So it says detected hash type and define crypts. So these are different type of hashes, but JohnTheRipper already have all type of like tools. So here you can see it says 70 different type of cells: MD5 crypt, crypt3, MD5 256 hash, all that. Now we should wait. It's a remaining 4 password hash with 4 different cells. It's all on 12%, but it really depends because it's a bit slow because I'm running it on my virtual machine. So here you can see it's using your CPU. So as you can see, it's finished. It took like 1 minute or something, and it depends on what computer you have. If you're running on your local, like a main machine or virtual machine, I don't know. But as you can see, we have it here. Now I want to type this command, and here you can see all the passwords. So the main thing was to find the admin password. So it was run, and as you can see, we cracked that, and it was really simple. And if you want to get more videos like this, just subscribe, leave a like, and tell me in the comments of what video I should do next. And see you.